In this video, we are going to see about inbuilt functions in list. First of all, we see about in operator and what is star in list. Okay, first see here in operator. I have assigned a list is equal to 134.89 3.8. Now I just using in operator. See here, print one in my list one. Okay, so it checks whether one is there in my list one or not. Is there is one? Yes, there is one. So it returns true. There is another one operator called not in. Okay, not in. If we see here, it returns false because one is there in my list one. But what we are saying, one not in my list one. Okay, so it returns false. Now come to star in list. My list is equal to 1 comma 2. I am printing my list star 3. So it prints my list 3 times in a single list. See here, 1 2, again 1 2, again 1 2. So it prints 3 times. Hence this star operator is used to print, or it is used to store a list at a certain number of times. Okay, then now let's step into the built-in functions for list. There are several many built-in functions, but in this video we are going to see about some very few built-in functions which are more important in solving a problems. Okay, see here. First of all, finding length. How we can find the length of the list? We use len of function. Okay, we use len of function. See here, my list is equal to 1 c 3 python 4.89 Pirai 3.8. Now what is the length of this list? It is 7. So it prints 7. We are using len of function. Now how can we join some elements in a list? There are two methods. One is append and another one is extend. Append function is used to join a single element at the end. If we want to join multiple elements, we can use extend. Okay, extend function. Now, append function. See here, I have a certain list of elements in a my list variable. Now, my list dot append of Manoj. Then it will append the Manoj value in the end of the list. Okay, see here, this is the normal list, and when I append it, the my list will add a particular value at the end. Okay, now see here, when I give a a two value inside append by using list, it will append it as a nested list. Okay, see here, it will append it as a nested list. Now coming back to the extend keyword, that is extend function. So in extend function, if we give a value like this, like a list containing two value, take for this example Manoj Sriram, then this will join the values at the ending of the main list. Okay, what are the values in the main list? 1 c 3 python 4.89 Pirai 3.8. And while doing this, it will join the two values Manoj and Sriram at the end of the list. So see here, it is the result. Now how we can concatenate a list to a existing list? We have already saw two methods. One is extend, one is append. Now we are going to see about a simple method called plus operator. If we use plus operator, it automatically join two lists. See here, already a list contains these values. Another list is Manoj, Sriram. Now, this Manoj, Sriram is appended to the list at the end. If I give this at the last, then Manoj and Sriram are appended at the beginning. Okay, now see here, my list. We run. See here, Manoj, Sriram are joined in front of the list. Okay, this is the purpose of plus operator here. Then pop-off function. In this pop-off function, we can give a index value. Otherwise, we can leave the pop-off function empty. First, we can see about what if we give a index value inside the pop-off function. If you give an index value inside pop-off function, it will remove the particular index element. If you don't give any index value, then it automatically remove the last element. See here, first I have given zeroth index, so it will remove the zeroth index element. So one is removed. Okay, when we are printing this, we get one because one is removed. Then when I use no index inside this bracket, it automatically removes the last element, that is 3.8. Okay, 3.8. Now, what will be the remaining list? It is C, 3, Python 4.89 and Pirai. Then how we can sort a list? First of all, what is the meaning of sorting? Sorting is like arranging a list in order, either in ascending order or in descending order. Okay. See here, we can use a sort of method. Okay, we can use sort of method. See here, a list one dot sort of. Okay, by using sort of method, we can sort the list. Now, when I print this list, it will be in sorted order. See here, okay, it will be in sorted order. Now, next one is how we can find the value. Okay, how we can find the value present in a list. Okay, there is a function called index. Okay, index of, it is used to find the index of the value that is present in the list. Okay, see here, I have given my list dot index of 3. 3 is at which index? It is at the first index, so the output is 1. Okay, now we want a index of a element in which we want a specific beginning and ending point. Then how can we do it? Okay, now see here, we want 1 from range of 1 to 5. What is the first index? It is 3. Second index, third index, fourth index. Okay, now I want here, and I want the element 1. Okay, beginning is first index and ending is fourth index because we don't take the ending point. Okay, so inside this, where the element 1 is present, it is present at the third index, hence the output is 3. Okay, hence the output is 3. Now see here, I have used the same sorting of a list here. Okay, sorting of a list has two methods and two types. One I have told already before, that is sort of. And another one is we can use reverse is equal to true inside sort of to use the descending order. Okay, to give the result as a descending order. See here, I have used my list 1 dot sort of, my list 2 dot sort of, and I have printed these two. Now see here, it is sorted in ascending order. Now my list 2 is also sorted in ascending order, but it contains full of strings. Now see, at first which will comes, M will come first, then P. There are two values which are starting with P. Among that, I will comes first. Hence, Pirai comes next to Manoj, next Python, next Sriram. Okay. Now come here. My list one dot sort of reverse is equal to true. If we give reverse is equal to true, then sort automatically in descending order. Okay, it's sort automatically in descending order. Hence the answer is 4.89, comma 3.8, comma 3, comma 1. In sorting of list, there is one certain condition. If the list contains a combination of integers and float, then it can be sorted. Otherwise, it can contain a string. No list with a string, floating point, integer can be sorted. Okay, this is the purpose of sorting. That is sort function.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.